Assalamu alaikum viewers, my name is Saad Farooq and you are watching my channel 98.Saad, and today I am asking about how to convert PDF to DWG format. So let's start. If you are not subscribed my YouTube channel, so please subscribe my YouTube channel and keep watching my new and latest videos. So first open your PDF file, so this is my PDF file. So I'm opening on here. So this is my PDF file. I want to convert this to DWG file format. So open AutoCAD and then open insert menu box, and then you are on here in PDF import. So another way attach, but you are PDF import file, PDF import, and then select file, and then where you are saving your PDF. So I'm saving on here, so I'm open this file. So this is the file and all the size are here, and then okay. So on here you are watching my PDF file is converting to DWG format. So successfully convert this my PDF file into DWG. So thanks for watching.